Hi everyone, Jerad Tonn here, the Intelisys channel manager for Canpango. For those of you that are not familiar with Canpango, we're a professional services arm of ScanSource, and we specialize in Salesforce consultancy and implementations. I'm sure you guys have been hearing a lot of awesome ways that you can help your clients go remote this week and in the past month, most likely. Canpango works closely with many of these remote solution providers, and while it's really important to be able to identify the correct mix for all of your clients, you really need to also consider how these tools interact with other primary technologies that your clients have in their tech stack. Odds are that one of the most utilized pieces of this are some kind of CRM. And given its massive market share, there's a good chance that that CRM is Salesforce. So I'm going to give you a crash course into how Salesforce helps remote teams. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here, and we're going to get it started. All right. So there are three easy to remember ways that Salesforce helps remote staff. So Salesforce helps remote teams innovate, coordinate, and as I've already kind of alluded to, integrate. At its core, Salesforce gives sales, marketing, and support teams an unrivaled ability to measure and optimize their practices. From customizable sales workflows to omnichannel or AI-driven support, Salesforce is both adaptable to your existing process while still being able to introduce greater efficiencies to your organization. And when working remote, it's more important now, more than ever, to really ensure that your teams are coordinating and collaborating as efficiently as possible. The easiest way to do this is to ensure all customer-facing departments share a single source of truth. And Salesforce acts as that single source of truth. It lets sales teams capitalize on service interactions and vice versa. It also simplifies where coordination happens. Robust worker portals, file library systems, and chat capabilities make Salesforce that perfect place for all of this collaboration to happen. And last but not least, Salesforce is second to none in respect to its integration capabilities. Those open APIs from the beginning have allowed for that that ecosystem to exist. Its open architecture and massive adoption means that pretty much any essential software providers that you can think of are already able to integrate with Salesforce. This helps service and sales teams work in one place instead of two. And it also means that you're never limited on incorporating outside data sources to that Salesforce platform. And if you didn't already know this, Sales Cloud is Salesforce's bread and butter. There's a reason why over 100,000 well-known companies use it. If we take a step back and remember the first foundational Salesforce product that we talked about back in our April channel webinar, it was about Service Cloud. And it's important to recognize why Sales Cloud is the bedrock infrastructure that takes Service Cloud functionality up a notch. And it's because of streamlined business processes across sales, marketing, and service teams that allows for that easy cross-communication and cross-insight between various departments. It integrates easily with other solutions like we've already alluded to again, shortens deal life cycles, improves revenue forecasting, increases lead and opportunity generation, gives you the ability to create customized real-time reporting and dashboards for leadership and service reps, really any team member as well, sales, marketing, whoever. And there's constant innovation updates via this Lightning platform that Salesforce has recently basically said that they're going to be continuing innovation on while kind of sunsetting Classic Edition. So it's a fully customizable product that brings all the customer information together in an integrated platform. It incorporates marketing, lead generation, sales, customer service, business analytics, and it provides access to thousands upon thousands of applications, tools, and other solutions that bolt on natively via the App Exchange. But one of its hidden differentiators is really the magic that it creates for service agents. And it creates connected omni-channel engagement across traditional and modern channels. So you're thinking phone, email, and then adding to that social, chat, video, especially today, SMS, chat, social are the fastest growing sectors for inbound communications. You can immediately assist with contextual video chat and on-screen annotation, instant chat, one-on-one chat capabilities. Obviously, you can deliver service across any kind of social platform, and you can automatically send or pause personalized marketing messages after service activities have taken place. And with Salesforce, you can integrate everything, and we really mean pretty much anything. We talk about the App Exchange and all of these natively built adapters that are pre-built for all of these thousands upon thousands of solutions. But for any niche systems or homegrown systems as well, there's the ability to have those open APIs and build out that custom development, build out that custom code that's needed to integrate those systems. So really, there's truly nothing that cannot be done and integrated on this platform, including a lot of the things that you see listed here. Canpango ourselves has a somewhat exclusive partnership with Ticketmaster, with integrating their solutions to the Salesforce platform. So that's one more example of the robust abilities to integrate. And just lastly here to go over a quick customer success story. This is a massive real estate company based out in the mountain region in the US, and they needed a ton of help with their support team. This is a franchise structure for this corporation, so they needed a ton of capacity to be added for ticketing issues and building out their infrastructure. They were having really long times for serving their agents and customers, and resources and solutions were hard to find. So we provided agents with tons of self-help support through Salesforce Knowledge, which is a function for support agents, which helps give that predictive response, and that's always a huge benefactor for those agents. We were able to implement Salesforce Digital Engagement for that omni-channel experience across multiple channels, social, live chat, SMS, and also a Cisco phone integration as well. So now their support agents can handle 4 times the number of cases due to these improvements that we've put in place and the additional products with Salesforce Community Cloud to help take the weight off of that agent. So just a really great success story for us. So for all of you, we have plenty of collateral for you to help engage customers in these conversations. Just an example here of some of our qualifying questions, but please get in contact with us, and we'd love to have a chat or send you any kind of collateral that can help you engage customers. Let's keep the conversation going. Here's a few ways to contact us. Hope to talk with you soon, and hope even more that we can all get together again soon, as we hopefully can safely reopen.